TYPHON STOMP V1000. At its core, it is powered by a Kubota D1105-E4 engine. It delivers 18.2 kilowatts of stable output, ensuring reliability when you need it most. These are some details of V1000. Let's take a look at hydraulic kit. This engine is paired with a load-sensing piston pump and taming valve system, which allows for the simultaneous operation of the boom and attachments without any loss of power. The system runs at a working pressure of 18 megapascals, ensuring efficient operation throughout the day.
Opening the door to stable output.
For the operator, the experience is seamless. It features full hydraulic pilot control that is lightweight and precise. Despite an operating weight of just 1.5 tons, it is heavy load adaptable with a lifting capacity of 780 kilograms. When it comes to mobility, this machine excels. It sits on 980 millimeter wide tracks that exert only 24 kilopascals of ground pressure. It is also incredibly flexible for narrow spaces with a compact size of 3,000 millimeters by 1,000 millimeter and a tight turning radius of just 1,760 millimeters. For versatility, you have a maximum lifting height of 2,852 millimeters and a dumping height of 2,350 millimeters, meeting multi-scene needs. It also supports various hydraulic attachments with a flow rate of 30 to 40 liters per minute. Finally, endurance is key. With a 20-liter diesel tank and a 22-liter hydraulic oil tank, this machine is built to support long-time operation without frequent stops.